Welcome to a deep dive into the world of process facilitation and service design. These two approaches are becoming increasingly significant in the sphere of organizational management, providing unique solutions to complex problems. Process facilitation brings a participatory approach to the table, guiding groups through the maze of decision-making and problem-solving. On the other hand, service design champions a user-centered perspective, continuously striving to create and enhance services that resonate with the end users. In this video, we're going to explore these concepts in depth. We'll define them, discuss their key concepts, and delve into their differences and similarities. We'll also look at how they are applied in various sectors, the benefits they offer, and the challenges they face. We'll even peek into their future directions. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this journey to gain a comprehensive understanding of these two vital approaches. Begin by defining the two approaches. Process facilitation, at its core, is a participatory approach that guides groups through decision-making and problem-solving. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of complex group dynamics. The facilitator, much like a guide, helps navigate the path, ensuring everyone reaches the destination together. They steer the conversation, promote engagement, and help the group reach a consensus. The goal isn't to provide solutions, but to create an environment where solutions can emerge organically from the group's collective wisdom. On the other hand, we have service design. This is a user-centric approach whose primary goal is to create and improve services. Think of it as an architect designing a building, but instead of bricks and mortar, the tools are the experiences and interactions that users have with a service. This approach places the user at the heart of the design process. The service designer listens, observes, and empathizes with the users, then crafts a service that meets their needs and expectations, or even exceeds them. While both these approaches may seem different, they share a common thread. Both are about making things work better. Process facilitation does this by improving the way groups make decisions and solve problems, while service design enhances the way users interact with services. These definitions lay the groundwork for understanding the nuances of process facilitation and service design. They're more than just buzzwords or trendy methodologies. They represent a shift in the way we approach problem-solving and decision-making, a shift towards more empathy, more collaboration, and more user-centric design. So, as we delve deeper into these concepts, keep these definitions in mind. They will help us unravel the complexities of these approaches and explore how they can be used to drive positive change. These definitions lay the groundwork for understanding the nuances of process facilitation and service design. Explore the contrasts between process facilitation and service design. In the world of organizational management, process facilitation and service design are two distinct approaches, each with its own unique focus and techniques. Let's delve into the differences between these two approaches and the unique strengths they bring to the table. Process facilitation is primarily concerned with group dynamics and consensus building. It's all about guiding groups through decision-making and problem-solving. The process facilitator acts as a neutral party, steering the group towards a common goal without dictating the outcome. This approach uses techniques such as brainstorming and consensus building to ensure that everyone's voices are heard and all perspectives are taken into account. On the other hand, service design is all about the user. It's a user-centered approach that focuses on creating and improving services to deliver better user experiences. Service design emphasizes understanding the user's needs, wants, and pain points, and then designing solutions to address them. This approach employs ethnographic research and prototyping to gain a deep understanding of the user and to test and refine solutions before they are implemented. So, while process facilitation is all about the group and the process, service design is all about the user and the solution. While process facilitation uses brainstorming and consensus building to guide groups towards a common goal, service design uses ethnographic research and prototyping to design solutions that meet the user's needs. While both approaches value empathy, collaboration, and visualization techniques, their emphasis and methods are distinctly different. Process facilitation tends to be more internally focused, dealing with the dynamics within a group, while service design is more externally focused, dealing with the relationship between the service provider and the user. These differences underscore the unique strengths of each approach. Process facilitation, with its focus on group dynamics and consensus building, is particularly effective in decision-making and conflict resolution situations. On the other hand, service design, with its focus on user experiences and innovative solutions, is a powerful tool for enhancing services and improving user satisfaction. Identify the common grounds between process facilitation and service design. Let's dive into the similarities and shared principles between these two approaches. At the heart of both process facilitation and service design is a commitment to empathy. Both approaches understand the importance of stepping into the shoes of others, whether they are team members or service users, to truly grasp their needs, motivations, and perspectives. This empathetic stance allows facilitators and designers alike to create experiences and solutions that genuinely resonate with the people they are intended to serve. Collaboration is another cornerstone of both these methodologies. Process facilitation and service design understand that the best outcomes are born from collective effort. They value the wisdom of the crowd, fostering an environment where diverse perspectives can converge to create innovative solutions. Whether it's a facilitated group working towards consensus or a cross-functional team co-designing a service, the principle of collaboration is pivotal. Visualization techniques are also a shared tool in both these approaches. Be it process facilitators using visual aids to guide group discussions or service designers employing sketches and prototypes to bring their ideas to life, the power of visual representation is well recognized. Now, let's look at how these shared principles translate into real-world applications. In healthcare, for instance, process facilitation can be used to guide interdisciplinary teams in decision-making, while service design can be employed to enhance patient experiences. In transportation, process facilitation could aid in resolving conflicts over route planning, while service design might improve the user experience on public transit. As for government services, process facilitation can support collaborative policymaking, and service design can help streamline public service delivery. These examples are but a glimpse into the myriad ways in which these approaches can be applied, demonstrating their adaptability across diverse sectors. These similarities and applications showcase the versatility and wide-ranging impact of both approaches. So, as we see, process facilitation and service design, while distinct in their focus, share some key principles that make them highly effective tools in organizational management and service delivery. Examine the potential hurdles and limitations of process facilitation and service design. As we delve deeper into these methodologies, we discover that, like all things, they come with their own set of challenges. In the realm of process facilitation, resistance to change can be a formidable adversary. It's a human instinct to stick to what's familiar, and this can lead to reluctance when it comes to embracing new processes or ideas. It's the facilitator's job to navigate these waters, encouraging open-mindedness and flexibility. Service design, on the other hand, often grapples with resource limitations. Implementing a user-centered approach requires time, money, and manpower. Research, prototyping, testing, they all require resources that might not always be readily available. But, as with any obstacle, there are ways to overcome these challenges. For process facilitation, one strategy could be fostering inclusivity. By making sure everyone's voice is heard, we can help alleviate the fear of change. It's about creating an environment where new ideas are welcomed, not shunned. For service design, addressing biases can be a game changer. By acknowledging and challenging our own preconceived notions, we can ensure that our designs truly serve the user and not just our own assumptions. This might mean stepping back and letting the user guide us, even when it contradicts our initial ideas. And while these challenges might seem daunting, it's important to remember that they're not insurmountable. They're merely stepping stones on the path to improvement. As we continue to refine these methodologies, we'll find new ways to tackle these issues. Looking to the future, the potential for process facilitation and service design is vast. With every challenge we overcome, we move one step closer to creating more effective, user-centered services. We learn, we adapt, and we grow. So as we strive to implement these approaches, let's not forget the hurdles we might face. Let's anticipate them, prepare for them, and when they do come, let's rise to the occasion. Understanding these challenges is crucial for effectively implementing these approaches and planning for the future. Wrap up the exploration of process facilitation and service design. We've journeyed through the terrain of these two fascinating approaches, unearthing their definitions, key concepts, and the ways in which they differ and align. Process facilitation, with its emphasis on group dynamics and consensus building, offers us a participatory approach to decision-making and problem-solving. Service design, on the other hand, places user experiences at the forefront, fostering innovation and improvement in service delivery through research and prototyping. Despite their differences, both approaches share common ground in their prioritization of empathy, collaboration, and visualization techniques. They present opportunities for enhanced engagement, better decision-making, and improved user satisfaction, even as they navigate challenges like resistance to change and resource limitations. These insights underscore the significance of understanding and integrating these approaches for practitioners and researchers. Remember, the key to driving positive change in organizational management and service delivery lies in understanding and effectively implementing these approaches.